Big, gostei back a noite, trobe.
Feliz noite nos oyentes não, of no televidente não, of no botar VT riba YouTube, of riba Facebook, of na diruwa televisão, siro Mac. Nós tem back na Basiruti. Há um outro podcast com nós tem dois legendários, e não é legendário, cara.
Di biang, di bisa nanti leche, basta aqui nanti leche só tu bingam.
Não é legendário, porque não tem basta tempo de wega. Não tem basta veneno bisa, não tem basta tempo de wega.
They got stripes. Both of them.
Sim, bom.
Primeiro começar com nós vamos ter na danke nos quartos também.
Nós temos na danke na Sauce Delivery. Nós temos na danke também na Happy Stop. Novidade busca por Dal2 platter na Happy Stop.
Yes, sir.
Também nós temos na danke na AGL Logistic. Patu mo carga lang, mi carga na tayo yega isimangki, rapido, simang ikarga tayo yega. Vap. So, também nós temos na danke também na Cositas by Jan. E também, manik tu no si futado dahil ng manik ko ng yega SOS Hangover Drinks. Aqui. Di biyaha, natalanta buong mayamayin, natabibiya walkie, natagusto bebe, mayamayin ta matalanta blil sing wayabang.
Yes, sir. Yeah. That's what the SOS drink for you. Do, and the two supercar tayo na Aruba, wherever you're gonna go, North, San Nicolas, everywhere, Savaneta, the tour kami na supermercado. So, yeah, that's the SOS drink.
Dali, prometo ko po trip of Memay. Display ko ba ito Memay or ba ito bisa?
Trip of somewhere Memay ko ba ito bisa trip. Ko ba ito Dal2? Yes, sir.
At abang nung sin dos...
Yes! Nasa-start ko na ni Biya?
Di Biya, si.
Let's do that.
Sin dos, alam ko yung may raspa.
Prepara raspa pa mi?
Prepara po, Mike, kasi iting baterya din.
Yes, sir. No, stay.
Bating ulungan daw usay ka, basta baterya pala ba?
Ese itong tremendo baterya. Ito lang ang gusto baterya. O, raspa din?
Raspa din, ba?
Alright. Vamos start di biyahe ora?
Vamos start.
Si brother na ginanam?
Si, nanta ko no si.
Yeah. So, nós tem dois guests na trobe, dois special guests. Nós tem dois young legend. I call them both young, so the young ainda. One of them is a soca artist.
Nanta young kumi.
One of them is a soca artist, starting from, he's from Grenada. Ela biki bau na Aruba, ito the BMW. Ito the tour maioria. I would say all groups, but the one that he started with was BMW. Kami kinakanta the tour soca festival ko na Aruba ko amin ta kwarta. Kami kinakanta amin itong radio host na Massive FM. Kami kinakanta agana tambe soca ikay sa Monarch. Tambe he got the prize there. The other one is a young talent that also started when he was a kid. Ito natin yung banda tayo, suminit harat tayo BMW. Kami kinabay solo, kami kinabay proyekto. Ito kami parte di tsunami. Kami kinabay tayo ng Massive FM. Kami kinabay ng un grupo kaya na Caribbean Soup. Inawi noche nos tiene como special invitado EasyB y Galloway Jr. What's up?
Everything good?
Welcome to Big Dal2 como se llama.
Big Dal2
Yes, man.
Welcome to the podcast.
Let me get me below.
Thank you.
Yes, man. How did you guys like the introduction? Was okay?
Energy, boy. Real energy. You know what I mean? That was real.
See,
I mean,
you know why? Because we have real artists here, and then there's the thing. If you go somewhere else, you can see the vibe is not real. When you got somebody just want to interview, no, this is we have a conversation, adult conversation.
Yeah.
So what happened? You guys good?
Yeah, man.
Welcome to the show.
Yeah, man.
We're looking good.
We're looking
Yeah,
good.
no, that's how it is. That's how it is. Big, butay.
Koiteyong, kumbay, nós estamos começando, kita começar com EasyB, so EasyB tá mais grande com o Galloway, sim, então sim, rolou, não, tá mais grande, velho, não precisa nada.
I could be like your father.
Yeah. You're good. But
EasyB contame.
Young.
Sim,
Very young.
tu gosta bom, sim.
What is possible?
EasyB.
Talk to me.
Me não conhece Hope aí.
Okay.
Hope me deve estar no 30 anos passado, 20 anos passado.
Okay.
Pero banasa na Aruba, bigamente banasa na Aruba.
No, I'm not na Grenada.
Iba inamba bais chiquito namba, bingki lang chiquito.
No, mabingki lang, temi to ating 17 anos.
Oh, grande kau.
Pero eu começar tempo com me tem 4 anos. Passou pra. Quando me tem 4 anos, minha mama vive na rua. Ela bem entrar na rua.
Okay.
Pero quando bem tem 6 anos.
Okay.
I was the last boy.
What the last boy? What the uma
I was
grande?
the last of all of them. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
I was a baby.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Olha babin kinang babay school babay kinang kaba tebe kaba
No, mama kaba babay tra de bia. One time na Playa Linda.
Ah, babay tra que me foi babin fe 17 anos babin tra de bia na Playa Linda?
One time.
Wow, mas digo não trajectória.
One time, 17 anos, brother.
E cantamento. Tava tempo de chiquito of botin família que canta of what bisa bahaya cantamento teawo of comienzo ka bota sinti ko bota canta so.
What? It's like that. Growing up in Grenada, normally I used to do like how you call that thing? Background with the guys like presentation on stage.
Okay.
You know, with the big artists like guys like Inspector. You know, some people gonna say Inspector.
No, I don't know Inspector.
Pero
He's a big man. He's a big man.
Yeah, big guy, boy.
In Grenada?
What?
Right now, Salsa?
Right now,
Legend?
Legend.
Okay.
He's a hitman.
Squeak.
Okay.
I know the song. Me sai canción.
Yeah, pero I wasn't brave, you know. But when I being Aruba, na hotel, me começou a work Sherby Maria, Nico Connor,
Oh, yeah, Nico.
Jeff Franken, Long Roy,
Wow, classic. It was a legend.
Kevin James, Robert Jandor. Ik ga naar het tempo nee, todo dia tem banda local tocando em hotel.
Esse aqui anos sopiando.
91.
91. Okay.
91.
Ai,
91 bem arriba.
Ai.
Então sempre você vindo para Caribbean Island, eu tenho feeling de boa, como né? Então tem turista e tempo nem eu hope de tradução não para papel inglês, como né? Então mim que assim papiamento.
Oh, okay.
You understand? So in them days, it was like a intercambio, you know what I mean? Like you want to learn my language and I want to learn yours.
We just exchange language with each other.
Yeah.
We practicing.
That's how I learned to speak papiamento, read papiamento, write papiamento.
Até dava hopi papiamento para
Muito isso
2 anos?
Não, 6 não.
Wow.
17 anos dat ding.
Says
Porque man brain tot fresh.
Wow, so después en namba começar a ter feeling que que bota cena para ali, né? Que bota conhecer.
Bota houseman.
E bota o actor artista que não bota nang
Riba stage. Errol de Freitas.
Wow, era de Freitas.
Sí, ahora un día
Classic.
comienza a bailar, gas tanto comienza a gusta. Un día más tienen tanto toca hot.
I said the arrow?
Yeah.
Bakoy Mike,
Bakoy,
canto magis comienza a cantar.
vamos morrer filme sabe nada?
Não bisa nada. Entertainment for gas.
Yeah. But you was
Houseman.
houseman. You just by walk vibes. You say, okay, I think I got this.
I'll take that. Yeah.
And then what happened then?
And from there, it had a guy named Francis with a start. Never forget him. He working at Tamarin right now.
Yeah.
And he saw the ability, you know, so then he started pushing me into the entertainment, you know, start getting more brave, you know, doing things. And then, go at Sigui, end up in BMW, and that wasn't the idea.
Não sei que não lá, me diga que não lá, mas só sigo para Galloway Junior. Gallo, você é lá na Rubo?
Sí.
Que escola vai na Rubo?
I went to Commander Peter Book.
Okay.
Babai escola junto com Babi Sami, Babai Sandra, Babai escola com Freddy também?
Yeah. No, I never see Freddy in school though.
Ah, não?
But about age difference.
Because, yeah, I was older. But I see Sander and Jairo.
Ah,
I see
okay.
Sander,
Bogart
but it was also younger. You know what I mean? So they I think they come visit the Yefro because the Yefro was the tanti.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
So they come visit the teacher.
E namba com sa But this kung sa canta ka, bota canta por me ka de chiquito, bota kung sa mene canta mene de escola grande.
Não, é tempo me pensa pra cantar mesmo. Eu tava tribo stage com me trata assim.
Ah, botado.
Father, you father legend too, boy.
Yeah. Before I even think on singing, but you know, I should be stage.
Okay.
So we stage baila com me trata, so we got this thing that we always like to dress the same.
You and your father?
Yeah,
Always.
we like to dress the same, you know.
Like father, like son.
Oh Lord. What
That's
we
what,
talking
90
about?
something?
I thought we talking about 1990.
Wow, that's a lot of years ago. That's
Okay.
31 years ago.
Yeah,
1990.
Yeah, 1990, maybe
Alright.
91, 92, you know, around that area. Yeah, you know.
E despe ba kung sa bay ba touch kay mai, ba di labo canta, ba tatalaga ba sila bo canta for.
You know, the first time I went to sing, my father was on the island. My father was outside working.
Yeah.
You know, so the first time, my father said, hey, my cousin on the island. He from station, Winston Fleming.
Okay.
Winston Fleming, I didn't know Winston Fleming from Miners Man. Winston Fleming on the island. So he get Winston to make a song for me. that was 1995.
Wow. How old are you? Was 95?
9. Damn, bro.
9 years old.
No, you gonna put people go do Reagan.
No,
thing.
Don't worry about that. You start somewhere. Yeah.
I still young. No worry.
Oh, you're young, boy.
man.
You know?
I'm
Yeah.
mabiyaw kinato.
So yeah, boy. So they get Winston Fleming
Throwing stones, boy.
to compose it, but we need a arranger.
Okay.
And my father always think of the best. You know what I mean? Whatever we do,
You want the best.
we want the best.
True.
So he said Franklin Granadillo.
Whoa.
Franklin
Okay.
Granadillo.
Okay.
Yeah.
95.
Wow.
95.
Wow.
Start heavy one time.
One time, boy. So I had a composer, Winston Fleming, and I had my arranger.
That's a lot of money.
Granadillo.
Yeah.
Bra!
Wow.
They made a song. Stroke it.
Você tem nome de cantiga Stroke It?
Stroke it. I can still remember that song. Stroke it. Stroke for carnival. Stroke it. Stroke for carnival. Stroke
E
it.
babay participar com ele, babay participar com ele.
Wala kami problema.
Pero esse tá aqui infantil, juvenil da.
Infantil, 9 anos, mi tío.
Oh,
9
okay.
years.
9 years old,
Wow.
boy. 9 years old.
You won?
No, I come in third place.
Third place. Okay,
That's
now.
good, that's
For first time, third place, good.
Not bad.
Applause for that.
I lost it.
Yeah,
Third place. For my first time, I came out third place.
That's good. That's what's up.
But the journey, that is it. Because that year, Eclipse,
Yeah.
Eclipse accompany we. Eclipse accompany we, and Anthony Gario had it all the cheering them like now outside and thing, but one by one we training, you know what I mean? But I think in that contest, if it had 30 songs, 18 of them Anthony Gario made.
You made a lot of those.
He made a lot.
Ainda.
Hey, he make 18 of them. boy.
He make
You know
all
what
of
I
them.
mean? Yeah, for real. 18 of them. You check.
Composer, arranger.
So I had one day to train my song.
Wow. Applause for
Hey,
Gallo, 1
9
day.
years old. Hey, one day, boy. So I trained it the one day. I think maybe not even one day. I exaggerated. 2. Let me put it 2.
Let's put 2 max.
Yeah,
Max 2.
2 days. One day with a one.
Wow.
Wow, man.
For real, 9 years old. I still remember that. Maybe not. But partner, we rip it up. So now we had to stand up in a line. Back in those days, you had to stand up in a line before you go on stage. So you have to put on your costume, you get ready because it's sport park. The big arena.
So Nicholas, Joe Levice?
Yeah.
Joe Levice.
Yeah.
I ain't had no dancer. I had
Brazil?
nada, boy.
Wasn't Brazil?
Yo, I had dancers.
Yeah,
No. It was
Joe
in Jula Face.
Okay.
And that was sport park.
And Sport Park, yeah.
In
all
sport
right,
park,
yeah,
it
yeah.
had a name before Lagos Sport Park.
Lagos pa pa.
It was Lagos Sport Park.
That was a long time ago.
Yeah.
So we went in there, boy. Had my dances and I said, I don't want them no more.
You want to sing?
Hey,
O que canta?
when I in the row, I start to cry, boy. Nerve, no. First time I'm going out, boy. Hey,
No.
cry. But maybe I cry out the fears.
Yeah.
Boy, when I wipe my tears, boy, and my turn to be chopped, no, I put on a show, boy.
You're a showman, boy.
I put on a show, no. Hey, tail up to the stage. Dancers, let me go. I said, let me go with the dancers. You see me? No, and we work for we third place, but you know what I mean? And that was 1995, you know.
Wow.
Until now, you know.
Yeah, man. They got the
Yeah.
You see, so yeah.
EasyB, no sa kaya na BMW, isa também ba yega, mene.
How did you enter
Como
BMW?
yega na? So tempo
By-
BMW tata Daddy Bass,
Daddy Bass.
tata main.
Afro too?
Tota net temporada
Transition?
com hasta agosto
Yeah.
a bai.
Okay.
Net temporada
Okay.
Anto passou wag. Budi tota den BMW.
Budi, you're
Promet
so-
come. Sim.
See?
Wow.
Wow,
I didn't know that, man.
didn't know
Wow. That's crazy.
Budi tota den BMW.
He was on stage for doing the wiper.
Do the wiper. He was on stage. Passou
4 o'clock in the morning. What you doing on stage for?
Stage.
What kind of parenting that
Ita
be
quando
by?
ita quando ay buli na tempo ko
Budi, quando a gente tem, segundo 5, 6,
Wow.
segundo, se me para, anto, lo que passa tá com, não tô tracantica para Budi vai competir, vamos né?
Okay.
Anto net passa gosto, decidi que esta banda na BMW até lá cabeça de boa, não tinha gente para programar, vamos né? Anto Budi não pode baixo, e me fez skip aí, me disse você aqui com Budi, a mim também pavo. Passou a neta temporada aí, ela manda buscar wind spanner for the station.
Hey,
Okay.
Big name.
Big name.
A round of applause for Daddy Rennie.
Big name. Eatra Aruba to hot.
yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man.
Arrange it.
Arrange it. Really arrangement. E arrange full me cantica e promê. Cantica me não sa se para conhecer. Mas ele cantou nabo pelo bom toque.
Muito que na pouco na rádio.
Bueno,
Mahaya dos flaca, mahaya de Galloway wale.
That's probably the same Jeep.
No se pa diz, não worry.
Continue.
You ain't played.
Mahaya flaca wale de Galloway. So, também contamos disso aqui. Também contamos a história.
But anyway, you remember that song though?
Which song do you?
Oops. I'm a jiggle mini the party. Oops.
Sim,
Stop.
vamos.
Excuse me.
Oh, no, you remember. Okay. That's a big tune.
That's a big tune. That was my first tune.
Quem é que bom mesmo que bia com?
Say, I'm a mask beer and the Wayne arrange it.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
What year was
I'm
this?
good at the bass. O tempo aí nós estamos team. Só tudo a gente tá pondo ideia junto. But normally for the writing, I always just do the writing by myself.
Alright.
Yeah.
What year that was for you?
That was in 2002, I think.
Yeah, I think it was 2002. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
I think I remember.
So, você tá para me viajar com babai ba stage para vai cantar com o tempo da Calibre so road mais contest
Yeah.
também, não sei.
Yeah, that was the first time. Can remember that it was in Bonnier Club.
Wow, that's for the
Bonnier
pre-finals.
Club. Yeah, the pre-finals Bonnier Club.
And did you make it? Did you
Yeah.
make the song? Make it? To
I was the
finals?
only guy that made it from BMW.
Wow.
So
That year.
Aruba, their hot self, they didn't go through.
Sim,
Yeah, they didn't go through.
Até o aqui que passa despe.
They
Era
spray.
bem, né?
Yeah.
Wow,
That's crazy,
that's
bro.
Crazy.
Antoine Nang, brother. Yeah. Already in the hotel at that time, so with that Nadia Asia Tadi, with the go bike Nang, Carnaval, Tracantica, you know, okay, bye. Just for the fun of it, no, the love of it. Was that make a man? And to, yeah. Tempo aí também, comecei na rádio. Do the ala,
Qual era para começar?
Crystal.
Crystal, yeah.
Crystal, do the ala, so ala BMW, Crystal. Vamos de link, no?
Okay.
So we Clyde wat dingen programma in aan die soca in aan.
Okay.
En to you know sakia passa, se go me Clyde me sit by Ulanda. And I was like, Allah, but I could do that job. You give me the chance, no? Every Saturday, I said, give me the chance, no? Say, okay, but you have to commit yourself to it, though.
Yeah. See.
You have to commit yourself to it.
sí.
Otherwise, I'm not going to do it.
Sí.
Serious, wa.
Sí. ¿Era la Gabo?
Não, me digo nem, eu que bem, e para me hora cinta, papia, and I'm just talking music.
He make sure you do the job.
Yeah.
He didn't give you the full
What
touch yet.
what happened? After the first hour, but I over here looking at everything that he does, you know what I mean? And then after that, the commercial break, I tell him go.
Just check me out.
Go, yeah, just
Let me do my thing.
You know, he fall asleep. Yeah, and from that, just you know what I mean.
E botar quando você hobby cantiga acaba de tempo de uno botar acaba na uno botar nasce e botar hindi quando você de tempo soca acaba quando ninguém soca.
See, because in them days, when you coming from them islands, those songs you hear every day, you know.
It's not nada Galloway so nada everyday then everyday song.
Every day,
every
you know
song.
what I mean, every day, you know what I mean. So, and then by radio para radio, soca tai soca, canta, when drama, bring Dal2 com bolso.
For true. I have a question for you, Easy. How did you came with the name EasyB?
Daddy Bass.
Daddy Bass gave you the number?
Yeah, Daddy Bass. My
I
name Bradley, no.
I give you the
so
Nora
he
name.
said easy.
Because you was always easy.
Always
The easy guy.
easy guy. The guy will talk less. You know, just do what you gotta do and always. Till now.
And then he's AKA Screwbird.
Galloway abotin di botata e ela bila junior. Pero wag mo da junior mas eh botin ko hay tulong na di Galloway full completo.
But I throw
I bet I bet you or you self didn't know Galloway is a fan.
No, yeah. No,
You see
Carl.
me? You know,
They call it Carlito. I know, pan. I know you many years.
no, but Galloway is the farm from my grandmother.
Okay.
You understand? So
Apart from grandmother.
yeah. Big up to that. Big up one time, mommy.
Yeah.
Love you, mommy. Yeah, man. That's my grandmother. Farm what she born with.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And so it's Galloways. We really are Galloways. I'm a Roosberg, but we are Galloways. We all come
okay.
from my grandmother.
Grandmother.
So,
Okay.
you know, we really are Galloways. You know what I mean? So ain't really got to Galloway Junior, no Galloway. We just Galloways.
Galloway.
You know what I mean? Always Galloways.
Ba pone junior so tempo botata
Yeah.
cada time so.
And I was young.
Yeah.
I was young. It was my first time. My first time with the big leagues. It was 18 years old. Yeah.
Alright.
Johnny
Iba começando um banda, babai despedir babai de um banda sempre porque olha babai para grande babila mais grande para sair for the youth babai youth também porque youth também bota aquele tem banda ainda bota aquele tem solo band one band no.
Before BMW, I was a drummer in EdjeSaus.
You used to be a drummer?
Yeah.
You were such a fucking no.
Gallo boy, beat it.
Look at this man here, man.
Takinas what ni ko I didn't know.
I didn't know this man was a drummer. He never told me that.
Yeah. I was
What
a drummer.
So
EdjeSaus.
bak começar BMW respect EasyB com para mim aba bem EasyB den acaba foi tempo EasyB no.
EasyB começou por mim comigo.
Pero bem aí den sim.
Yeah.
E não você conhece outro? E não você conhece outro Angela?
See, I mean, what it can't take DJ.
Oh.
The big bro.
Yeah.
Big bro.
Don't-
Big bro.
don't
That's
for-
it, big bro.
Don't forget, no, BMW recruited me at 17 years old. Like,
Wow.
you feel me?
Yeah.
That's
It's
what's up.
just I couldn't play by here. I just had to stand up on. I could get inside, but I had to stand up on the side.
Wow. That's crazy, bro.
Hey, you know what it is? You on stage, but you can't hold a mic. You can't hold a mic.
But because you were 17. Or,
17.
Yeah. Damn, bro.
So big up to Kobe.
Shout out to Kobe.
Shout out to Kobe.
Yeah.
Kobe hold the mic. Kobe hold the mic.
Yeah.
Kobe hold it on one time. Yeah, gang.
So bakit respect di bakit te quanto ang ku BMW te ora ku BMW na ku Daddy Bass bakit te tanto ang.
I moved to Holland.
Okay.
With my 19 going on 20.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I came back. My last song with BMW was Follow Me.
Follow me. Follow me. Yeah.
That was my last song.
I don't
and
remember
then-
that song.
And then no. You know, move it. Get out of the way.
See.
Hey man, I remember that
Yeah,
song.
that was a tune.
Hey man.
Wat hebben we in Hollanda? Wat hebben we in Hollanda?
Which year was that? Was it
Eh,
in the 90s or in the early 2000s?
2000s.
2000.
Get out of the way was in,
was
2008,
7.
7, no?
2007.
I was living in Holland.
Oh, okay.
You?
Yeah. That's why I
Me
did.
too.
okay.
Me too. So that was my last song with BMW, and then after that,
Babay Hollanda?
yeah,
Quanto hebben we nu?
11.
Wow.
11 years stay by Holland?
Wow.
I remember one day I was in Lelystad. I met you there on street with, I think he was with
Why
Pollard?
was you in Lelystad, boy?
He was with
18G.
Pollard, with Rene Pollard. He was with Rene there. I think you guys were buying sneakers and stuff. Something like that. Something like that. I can remember. I saw you there.
Me?
Yeah, you.
You sure it was me?
I think. Yeah, I think it was you. Yeah, of course,
Somebody
man.
that look like you.
In Lelystad?
You went to training. You went to Kopavond. You went to Kopavond.
I don't think I ever went to
Kiko
Lelystad.
dat Lely staat.
At the money party.
That's after Almere.
No, sorry. Almere, sorry.
Oh,
Sorry, Almere. Yeah.
Lelystad.
My bad. I saw it,
After
Almere.
I could go Almere.
Almere, yeah.
Why you in Lelystad?
No, I don't know why I say
Zie je
Lelystad.
wat die is?
So where the bartender is?
Yeah, he
What
was
is
big
it?
is the
What is
bartender.
it?
Is the bartender?
Zie, na me,
Yeah. Just give me a cup. Give me a cup.
na me
Okay, let me go with this one first.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me go with this one first, and then
Yeah, no.
Easy. I have a question for you.
Talk to me, my brother.
When was the time that you left BMW? Which year or why was the reason you left BMW?
BMW. I left BMW in 2015. That's the year I went tsunami.
But why did you leave from BMW? Did you had any?
The idea, I really had no conflict because it was just security, no. It was like in a limbo. If BMW would have been in the carnival and not, you know, and then
Yeah.
hey, at that time you have to make decisions, no. We understand each other, you know what I mean? Big people.
Yeah.
And yeah, 2015 I joined Tsunami when I sang We Time.
Yeah, that was free time. Yeah, that was just a
yeah.
big tune.
Yeah, that was a big tune. That was a
That
huge
was
tune.
a big
Yeah,
tune, bro.
yeah.
I remember that tune. I remember that tune was. Did you won with that tune?
Yeah.
You won
Win
the
Soca
soca?
Monarch
Okay.
and the road match.
For 2 years.
For 2 years.
Wanneer is die kort aan met dit je?
You won back to back?
Yeah, with the same song.
With the same song.
How did it happen? Oh wait, there was no carnival, right? Or there was no? So you the only one that ever won back to back with the same one tune?
Gary too.
Just like me and Gary right now.
Yeah.
Wow.
We had a pandemic.
We had a pandemic.
Waar kan je space die bian jullie basali bij tsunami die bian no?
Sí.
See?
Yeah.
Wakaya
By the way,
montoka den tax to the max yung de ko di montoka tax.
Matoka ko Too Sweet.
Ah, too sweet,
Too
see.
Sweet wata ko Clyde Burke, ko Rocky for Run, Mar, Sugar.
EasyB.
So mabay Le Groove. Mabay
Went to Le Groove too?
Yeah, mabay Le Groove, yeah.
Paano ay ba kaya na?
That was a training.
Easy, this
By groove training?
Well, di ko
but
galit ang strength?
Huh?
Galit ang strength of trainer ka?
Oh, they like the vibes there?
Gary thinks to style, no. Good musician, though. I like good musician, but he have style, no. But it was like a camp, you know. You go
A boot
up
camp
to-
or?
No, not a boot camp. You enjoy yourself.
Tempe ta
You
din.
get song to sing.
Tempe black ita ta din,
and-
kaba black ita ta din.
See. Mango, full, the groove.
Alright.
But what I can think of, Bradley, the song was a and Bradley, the song was a fever. And Bradley, the song must say something. Bradley, the song must have. Yeah, that's all.
Wow.
So, Listen to applause.
Yeah.
Yo, you guys are the first one to bring podcast and singing and also bass and also mixing one time at the podcast, boy.
But listen,
Boy, you guys are really.
Remember I tell you it's being down Moscow doors?
Yeah.
We only did those now.
Oh man, that's crazy. Galloway, I have a question for you. When did you join Tsunami? Which year?
Just play the BMW?
Right away or
No,
you took
no, no.
pause?
Because I was in Holland.
What about being Holland? Kaya join you?
I had my own. I first in Holland. I was part of ATNG.
ATG, that's with the big guy.
Ralford,
Yeah.
Medina.
Yeah.
Big up to Ralford.
Big up to him. Big up to him.
Hey, much love to my boy Chad. Omar Rubens Medina.
Yeah,
Big up to- much love to you, boy. Man.
Hey, big up to
whole
Fito,
ATNG
man, like
crew.
Fito,
Fito,
boy.
what we say, Fito? You see me?
Yeah.
And after ATNG, it was a former owned band, Recruits.
Okay, in Holland or
Recruits
here?
band in Holland.
Oh, Holland. Okay.
Yeah.
Recruits, alright.
You know, hey, we first play out. You know where we first play out was?
Where?
I don't know that.
Wow! Big up.
Hey, check it out, my partner. It's on YouTube, my partner. Go ahead and check it out. You know what I mean? But that was it. And then we followed. The second one was Anti-Yancy Facing.
Yeah,
You see me?
that's
So-
what's in back, you know?
Yeah, you know, hey, we don't joke, but you know, so we aim high. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We shoot for the stars.
Yeah.
We
Oh,
aim
of
for the-
course, of course.
Shoot for the moon, aim for the. I don't know.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, something so.
Kika pasa this play recruit. Kika pasa.
After Recruits, was solo a while, and I came back to Aruba. My boy,
See?
much
You
love
got you right there?
Much love for my boy. My boy said, boy,
Come
come
on.
over to Tsunami.
Right away.
Right away.
You know what I mean?
Did you have to
One
do
time.
some recruitment to go to Tsunami? Like,
Nah, really,
this-
that-
no, like,
No,
let's say,
man.
Gallo, let me go check you out first before we're gonna take you to Tsunami, or did you right away free pass?
No, but
No.
it's like a bond, no. You know, like
No.
That's
It's
how Tsunami roll? Like
it's
like
a
bond?
process.
it's a process.
It's a process, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
They gonna feel you out in faculty.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Faculty got to represent.
Yeah.
To say
That's
if
why
you
you
go-
have to
if
move.
You go warrior,
That's why
know
you
what I mean?
show yourself that you can handle.
Yeah.
And
It's
you
a
handle
tough-
it, of
it's
course.
a job. It's a tough
We
job.
represent. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Which year was that?
That was 2016.
2016. Oh, you're not so long with Tsunami. I mean, it's long, but I mean,
Yeah.
Yeah. From 2016 I was Tsunami.
Yeah.
And he from
2015.
20, you see?
okay.
Just 1 year.
But till 2017 I could have proved myself.
That was the Perch when the Perch came out.
And the first
Came out.
I always told you before. We're gonna go right away, man, because we in the vibe right now. I told you.
Zo werk patras.
I think a couple of times I remember we sat down. I'm not gonna mention the bar because we sat down we had a beach party. You was the host there.
Oh,
You remember I was
yeah,
DJ
yeah,
there?
Yeah.
And I sit with you before the party started or when
Yeah.
the event started. I told you, Gallo, I think the Perch, it's an international song. And then I asked you why that song didn't went international.
Yeah.
And then why it didn't do so much outside there. You remember? Can you remember that talk that we
Yeah,
had? Remember
yeah.
you had a Lakers jersey with the Air Force One.
Yeah.
You know me, I watch the sneakers right away.
And if
So-
you got on the Air Force Ones, then you know you're clean. You know what I mean? You get a free pass.
How did the Perch came out and how did the people receive it, the Perch and Island?
Bomenski bien?
That you
Yeah.
everything you learn,
I wrote every
the hooks and everything too.
everything, you know what I mean? Sitting down with Rocky Everrun. Big up to Rocky, you know what I mean?
Shout out to Rocky, because
Okay.
Rocky did
Yeah.
a lot of things, man.
Big man, big man.
Kita un
Legend.
leyenda.
Yeah, big up to Rocky, but
Big up
you know what I mean?
Rockstar.
Yeah,
Legend.
a lot for Rocky.
Yes.
But right in the Purge, don't forget it was the year that did not had no carnival.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So the Purge was not really written from that time, but the idea changed because that idea was phase on Bati up.
That was the next one?
Yeah. So the idea for Purge was phase down Bati up.
Okay.
But phase down Bati up came out.
So originally the Perch was used what the name? Face down, bati up.
The idea
Original, okay.
for Purge was phase down Bati up. You know, so what? That was the idea. But I didn't like how it sounded on the arrangement. Because when I came back, it didn't have no carnival. Keep in mind, it didn't have no carnival.
Carnival,
So when
yeah.
I came back, Rocky finished the whole song, and it had another flavor, another touch. Pam, 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 pam. Hey, So,
You puede imaginar.
I feel like I was there too.
In myself, I say, no boy, face on but you up on this.
Wow.
So, I as a guy, I'm really about movies. I love to watch movies.
Yeah.
I love to watch series. So I love to see Out of the Ordinary.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I like to sing Out of the Ordinary. And The Purge is, I tell you flat, The Purge is one of my favorite movies. and it says a message.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It ain't only a movie, but it said a message. The message is purge.
So,
Clear up every bad thing. Take it out. Purge it.
Wow.
And I remember got a lot of purging to do, you know what I mean? But this in the program for that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You feel me? So we put her in the big that and at that time it was kill him. Kill him.
Yeah. That was from the rapper.
You know the big dude?
Yeah.
And he always dancing.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Lil
kill him.
Tirio. Lil Tirio.
Yo, you got him.
Yeah,
So,
Lil Tirio.
I put them in together.
Wow.
I infuse them and I say, hey, you know, this is people. Kill him. Kill him.
Okay, exclusive. Okay.
Kill him with a. Kill him with a. That was it. You feel me? So, and that's how the first came, man. You know what I mean? And I got to pick up my boy Rocky one time with partner because
Oh,
he
you
said,
gotta pick up
"Partner,
Rocky, boy."
we need a gimmick.
Yeah.
We need a gimmick. What's the gimmick, Gallo? What's the gimmick? What's the gimmick? So he said, my partner is a cool red boy Gallo. SOS.
yes.
And we got yourself a song.
One time.
And did you write that thing in one time or 2 days, 3 days?
If you take 2-3 days to write a song, it didn't came to you how it's supposed to come to you.
Okay.
If you're going to write a hit song, sorry to tell you, but that's supposed to come to you in 15 to 30 minutes.
30 minutes, yeah.
So every artist that's written a song in 10 to 15 minutes, that's the best song?
Not all.
Not all?
No.
But in your case, it was like that.
Again, I don't know. I'm speaking for myself because I take days to come up with a melody with I know what I wanna sing. I got a gimmick, maybe I have a concept, but it's gonna take time to get melody, to get lyrics in proposition. You know what I mean? In the way that I want to get it.
Yeah.
And that's gonna take time. You feel me? And once that's in place, 15 to 30 minutes, you got yourself a song.
Yeah.
Wow, and that's a
Yeah,
big tune.
but
That's a big
that's
tune.
a-
That's a big tune.
Hey, keep in mind, and a lot of people should keep in mind. I have 2 songs of the year:
Which was the other one?
Memories and Purge.
Yeah.
Wow.
See?
Keep that in mind.
Yeah.
Not many bands, not many artists could say that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
We're gonna come to that.
Ora ku baski biele, anto ora batende Rocky baski bien anto Rocky atende, anto Rocky kame pariko, ora batende Rocky hasi hiko ke bite, ora ba cambia pariko.
Yeah.
Ora ba Dal2, ora ba bisa.
Yeah, because it changed. Don't forget, when you have an idea, the idea change every time. The process of making it, it changes.
Ti pariko ka cambia ku etawa tat promeding de kela kita. Ala kan full coita etata full moto ko prome.
Full.
Opo kalde ko etata prome, ko etata existi prome. Simple. Un simple ya.
Nah,
we take a thing.
It was
It was not it. It was not it.
You know what I
so-
mean? So you're going to forget it. You know?
You want to remember itself no more?
Of course not.
EasyB.
But I know
Yeah.
it was the phase on the body up. You know what?
Yeah.
EasyB botambe up basa kayin hit te dia badale. Isso aí tá quanto por meio badale. So bota tin hit para mim não tá tremendo, pero para badale na competência na kaiso.
Sim, não tu tem basta hit com
Promete que vai chegar na trono de
So, but that's hit ko Dal. That was my time, and then you had another one.
my time. Hold on. Pero badale.
How is that going again?
Hold on. That's
Hold on. Mama, look how I got me.
Hold on or something.
Yeah.
The one that I prefer is Show Me Your Too Sweet Baby.
Too Sweet Baby. That was a big hit too. We had Rocks Up.
Rocks Up.
Yeah. Oops. Good hit too. Big hit too.
Yeah.
Lot of hit, man. With Tsunami. Tons of hits.
But that ore ku kabagana ore ku hold up bagana.
No.
We time.
We time.
No, hold on. They disqualify us, but
See?
no, they didn't disqualify us.
Ah, no.
No, but they disqualified it. Don't disqualify it.
No, they disqualify.
Babay final ku hold up siya no?
Ah?
Babay final si ku hold up.
Si. No, so they promise banda.
Okay.
No, so I make already warm up.
So
But the fresh. Ready
so
to go.
ela wala tal habi sa wala ba tal heavy sa kita ba tagador of ita mene ba bisa ko awosit sa kita aya. Aw ba bisa talk mene no pabete pero no também sakit kati ko tabay so mita kere bono ta sasi mo tigan. Do you hear that sasi mo tigan?
No, because we always do it for fun, no. Pero es un kumagana ko ne, es un ema sintie. Ustadi kong, amitong guy me dai inspiration madugano. Like in the morning, early, wake up. One time, you know what I mean? Do what you gotta do. Look outside, count the stars. And
I was getting these strange messages. I was living in Holland.
You were living in Holland, so I get
these
the rhythm.
strange messages in the middle. So it's morning there when he send these things, you know. So I up, and he's sending me these messages.
I making a song and
These
I sending
voice
him
notes.
voice notes.
But
and he telling me no, put dirty mask. I was like, nah, bro.
Yeah.
That thing going, boy.
Jesus,
And that morning I wake up and I had the headphones in my ears. I just feel that thing one time, brother. Because Rocky, when he making rhythms with us, always be there with him.
Exactly.
You understand what I mean?
Every
step. You know? So we leave him do his thing. We just give him an idea. Leave him do his thing. And you listen to the rhythm. Sometimes, like Gallo say, you get 10 different flow, 10 different things that you really want to sing on that rhythm. And it have one hit you, like in half an hour. You know that's it.
Ato yung number it's my time, no? It's my time.
We time. Yeah.
Anto ela gana nel bon time ko bagana kun den time.
Say no, give me space, no.
Ora bagana placa binsi?
See, yeah, boy.
Okay, can we check no? We check no se placa binsi.
Pick up the música one time, boy.
Okay.
But that here the prize money.
Ela help placa help ko si, ela help ko buraco, ela na bisa, ela help ko.
Tapa basa buraco.
You don't have to say how much, but was it a good back? Good back?
Yeah. It's reasonable. It could have been more.
Galloway, botame timbo, ganador lang, ela tapa pa ko buraco, ela botame
The
haya
back
bo.
that you get from the tune, let's say from the tune.
Yeah. What do you mean? Why not?
It's fair to say it's four digits.
Wait, but I didn't have no buraco to tapa, you know what I mean?
Mati bola, tempo di bola ko tapa.
You was
No.
you didn't have nothing.
I cool, and I still
What a young guy,
and I still don't got no buraco to tapa.
That's good, bro.
You know what I mean?
Your first back
Puro
that
buraco
you
to
get, no?
tapa. Bunta pa.
Por me back
Sim.
behind the music. How que mais que é pro me back, you know? That you buy sneakers or that you?
No, you mad, man. I buy a car, boy.
Yeah?
Nice.
Yeah.
You bought a car. Yeah, that's good.
Claro.
Yeah, I buy a car.
And that was with the purge. Was that the purge money or? Was because Masali Road Jam, right? With that song, right? Or they call it Road Jam?
Road jam.
No, hey,
you call road jam.
hey, let me just say I had a good year.
Yeah, I had a good, perfect
Hey,
year.
because believe me, the car I riding ain't only that money cover what I driving. You feel me?
Yeah.
So I had a good year.
You had a good year. That's what's
Yeah.
up. That's what's up. That's what's up.
Big up.
Big up for that.
Pick up all the promoters. Oh, no.
Nice. Easy. So you went from Tsunami and you grabbed Gallo and you guys went to Tier because there was a first Tsunami before you guys came. Before you came, it was another Tsunami, right? I mean, there was the same tsunami, but other how you call it? Other people singing there. You had other front lines.
Yeah.
Who was the people that was front line back then before you guys came?
Well, in Tsunami.
Yeah, tsunami. Yeah.
When I was there, it had Maya, Shinton, Mitch,
Yeah.
and Sasha.
Oh, Sasha was part of it too.
Yes.
Yeah, that was with Ofo too, right? Ofo was there.
No, Ofo wasn't there.
Wasn't there?
No.
Okay, sorry.
Sasha was there. When I went, Sasha was there. And then, I think you know what happened? Sasha gone. And then...
Wala ba din tsunami o for tatay mate wala no?
No, tatay
Okay.
No.
What you say?
that-
Oto ko.
Why you laughing?
You laugh.
You know something that we don't know?
Bo bisa nos din, no?
I good, man.
Okay. Hola ko, boy, you have been back for Holanda. Mas hindi ko ti kompetensya. Pabo me.
Budi?
So Budi ta tremendo. Ay biti yung respects niya grande.
Wala.
Yeah, boy. Shout out to Budi, man.
Yeah.
That's my partner, no? Budi, my partner too.
All
Shout out to Budi.
When he come back, I know you'll be my competition. He younger, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, he younger.
Eta mo mata me.
Maybe man, he have the voice, he have the talent. Are you seeing like a mini me, no?
Wow.
You know what I mean? It's like a mini you
Gotta look out for him in the future.
growing up, you know what I
Budi
mean?
international.
So
Pa me Budi international.
Yeah,
Budi is
exactly.
international for me.
Yeah,
You
man.
went to the Voice or something in Holland?
Yeah, he
Yeah.
went to the voice.
The voice it was?
Yeah,
Budi
Or
pa
the
me.
voice of
the
Holland?
voice of Holland.
The voice of Holland.
Yeah.
Budi pa me mas international ka ba? I
He's
know.
gonna make it, man.
You see, you want something to drink?
No, I good, man.
You still good?
No, that's still good, yeah.
Okay. Gallo, you good? Still good.
Gallo
No,
ain't
we're just
drinking.
checking though.
EasyB.
Gallo ain't drinking.
mean,
Gallo forget we come to Dal2, but
mean,
listen,
I
we
got
in
my
a bar here with all kind of eights and quarters, you know what I mean?
I got my drink on. We good. We good.
Huh? All
Big
right,
question.
yeah. Big up to
See,
all those who watching
we
that
think-
thing right
we
now.
think
This
that-
thing is real.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Live. Yeah.
In there.
We in there. We in a bar. We vibing with the boys and them.
EasyB, biti ko ba ko ba tema aqui, você sabe que tema ko de aias na rádio na Aruba, promete com massive no toca soca durante inter aia. Anto abo sempre ta querer din bo música, mas ko bitama querer din hip hop opi aia. Ainda me querer hip hop e a working in tu right tocando hip hop, no hopi, pero at least a dos. So tempo como começar também.
Yeah.
No tá outra tem rádio toca hip hop.
Yeah.
Também tem show tem. Bitama lanta din tempo de Charlie Baba. Tu já sabe?
Baba Charlie.
Baba Charlie, sorry.
Yeah.
Baba Charlie.
Charlie
I
Baba.
like
Charlie
that,
Baba,
Charlie
Charlie.
Baba, though.
Mami, the
Charlie
remix.
Baba, huh?
Charlie Baba, they
Charlie
sound
Baba.
better.
No,
That
no,
sound
no.
better.
They sound better.
Baba
No, that sound like he's a rap star.
Imagine you go back in time and tell you, switch it.
Si.
Charlie Baba.
Not Baba Charlie.
May tama
but Charlie
lanta,
Baba.
malanta ko Baba Charlie tu já sabe ku soca, mas tem soca também, so bita cola sempre Baba Charlie tá toca Tina Waina, asa na wonder Tina.
Let you love me something they
Esse
say.
tá, olha me tem que dizer. Baba Charlie tá se aluba. No para mim não tem e esse é que era tu já sabe, depois não tem soca mais na rádio. E sempre aquela puxa a botar porque ele aquela puxa tor. E tem que bahaya programa, tem que a bahaya rádio me. Bota assim de toco, ela cambia o a osso vou atender para a rádio por tocar soca o que se durante a inteira.
Hola, ga. Abuela cambia hopi.
Sim, não?
Sí. Me está corre tempo, me está na Crystal. Tempo de Semana Santa, me vou vai rádio.
No? They ban you?
You crazy? We be talking the tongue on prueba na palabra, man.
Oh yeah, for real?
Yeah. Gotta get to respect. Crystal 101.7 left and coi diablo.
Sim.
What? Despe?
See?
Ah, despe me di?
Falling soca com o diabo.
Since despe me di,
Sim.
waki, me vai assim, me vai worry com na mes. Mas como isso vai? Eu decoro a Gina Ponce. A Ponte se me papai. Durante Easter, eu disse, "Sim, porque papai." However, I was waiting for that.
That's a green light.
Get the green light. I start pushing it. Don't care about thing smart no. And it's nothing like you don't hear it on no other radio station, you know, and it's like okay, people call in, you're getting the smart to go. You ain't making no money, but
No.
Just do it for the love of it.
Just for the love of it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's what's up. Applause for that. Yeah, of course.
Love of
Yeah,
music.
for the love of the music.
Love for the
Making
music.
So one time you went to another radio too, right? And you had the name Soca. You had the Soca Train.
No, Soca Train travel. He started Soca Train and he ended Soca Train because what happened when Crystal closed down, I went to Me FM. Me FM tata ku Alana anki. This me by Real. Kuchando, Wancho, Gallo kananki. This way, Real FM abida radio Spanish days, only Latino in Anna. Then I went back, jams. Same one with Giancarlo, Espinal, Nangi, Jonathan Lake, Allah.
Bota tipo programa de Soca.
It makes Soca Train, but I just buy
Different radio.
I'm stop.
Different train.
Different train stop.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, different train stop. It was going, yeah.
Ainda me tá com esse som, by the way. Esse som é de Soca Train ainda me tá com esse som.
That's also classic from you, man.
What
Soca Train.
Yeah.
Soca Train. Yeah?
Yeah, no, that ain't mine. That's
sorry.
The original from that song is Gypsy.
Gypsy,
Yeah, Maximus done.
Maximum done
Do it over. You remake it. Yeah.
Maximus Dan version the best.
Yeah.
Maximum Dan tem ainda, me conhece Maximum Hopi aí.
No, he
He
didn't.
name change.
He name change.
See?
Maximus Dan, he
name change to.
he with Ultimate Reject.
Rejects.
Now hold them and walk them.
Yeah.
Pam, hold them and walk them.
Oh,
That's
see?
Maximus
That's
Dan.
Maximum, see? Look at the call them the kitchen. Lord Kitchen.
Lab Kitchen.
Kitchen, no.
Kitchen. Ah, não, we will be by Hopi aí, mas.
Kitchen.
Lord Kitchen, no?
Kitchen, no.
Aha.
That he's the father from that Gypsy.
No, that's Gypsy. That's easy.
I said, maybe not the first song here, no.
Gosh, je hebt een singer, dat is een classic. Die Barros também.
Baron.
Sí.
He's trying to do his
I'm quiet,
Sugar aloes.
Não tem ainda?
Sí, not the end.
Sí, okay.
Baron takes, yeah.
Sí.
Easy.
Arrow
died.
is a minister. Arrow died. Who's the minister from Gypsy?
Gypsy
is a minister from in Trinidad.
In Carnival, something like that.
Something from Carnival.
Yeah.
Aruba need one of that.
Yeah,
And
Mr.
I
Carnival.
want to be
We think it's gonna be
your
that one.
minister of Carnival.
We think that if there was a minister of Carnival,
Yeah.
in your opinion, it has to be the minister of Carnival.
Ja,
Me.
bo-
Oh, applause for that, yeah. I think so. I agree with that.
I'm gonna be your assistant.
Send me the paper. I'll sign it.
I'm gonna be your assistant. Don't worry yourself.
Don't worry, nada.
On the boulder.
All of you.
Yeah. Easy, I have a question for
I'm gonna
you.
be the dictator.
The dictator.
Every week is a jump up.
It's a jump up. Doesn't matter where.
Hey, shout out for jump up.
Yeah.
I want to jump in.
You see, you had also a song called Space.
Space. That's my time, no.
Okay.
My time. We time. Yeah. That's space.
Yeah, space.
Okay, let me go.
That's when I wanted to go in space with Eric Branson.
Yeah?
But he didn't want me to go with him.
Gallo.
Who's Eric Branson?
Ask him, he knows.
Who's Eric Branson?
You had
What your name again? Richard Branson.
Richard Branson.
Richard Branson.
Gallo, then, okay, so you made Purge, and then after the Purge, which song came the next year?
Well, right after the purge, we had the coup.
It's a coup.
The coup. Yeah. I tell you, right, I love movies.
Yeah.
I was watching a lot of Chavez. I was watching a lot of Chavez. Chavez. So the I don't know what name on Netflix.
Yeah.
I like Netflix guy. You know?
Yeah.
I like to relax. You know what I mean? Because when I work, I work.
Oh, yeah.
When I perform, I perform.
Yeah.
You feel me? So I was watching a lot of Chavez, whatever that series be. And that inspired me, boy. You know what I mean? Because
Chapo.
No,
Chapo.
Chavez.
No, Chavez.
Chavez? Okay. No Chapo.
Venezuela.
Who got Chavez?
Okay.
It was long. You know, don't forget they capítulos them will be like 70.
Yeah.
One season.
Was it 70 capítulos?
Yeah.
Hey, long boy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I was watching that and that really inspired me, and because sometimes I have to hit a coup and change things, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Just,
I take
change
over.
up things, take over.
I take over, yeah.
I take over one time, you know what I mean? So if I plan on any takeover, boy, just check Gallo. Boy.
A revolution, man, ready.
A revolution.
Yeah, start a revolution.
I'm just kidding.
And then after what song came after that one?
Right after that,
Was that Memories?
you know, Memories.
Ah, man.
Memories.
Applause for Memories. Boy.
Memories, man.
I remember I was in Carnival Village, and then you guys performed the song. And you know, whenever I don't know, because I didn't perform a song never in my life.
Yeah.
And then you guys came out of to reach the people them, and then in the end, so you came to me. I don't know if you remember. I was sitting with my wife and my daughter. We were sitting there,
Yeah.
and I told you, Gallo, the Memory song is gonna win a prize. You tell me you think so? I said, yeah, man. That tune is a big tune. He said, yeah. Let me see. I remember I had 2 chairs with me. No,
Yeah.
I think 3 chairs. You sit in one because you was standing the whole night, walking around. I think you was a little bit tipsy too. And then they start announcing the winners. I said, Gallo, you're gonna win. And then I think it was the 3rd place. It said Galloway Jr.
Yeah.
Memories, Tsunami. Yeah. I don't know if you remember. I said, Gallo, yes, no, you won. And then you went right away in the back there to receive your prize.
Yeah, it's a good feeling being compensated after hard work. You
Yeah,
know what I
man,
mean? It's
for
always
real.
a good feeling to be compensated. In
real.
everything you do, if you put your heart into it, you put your soul into it, it's always good to be compensated after. And if you do not be compensated, it's just a little push for you to work harder.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
But
So-
that song, maybe it won 3rd place, but that song went to do bigger things for that
Indeed.
kind of
Indeed.
And that was with
Indeed.
the purse too.
Indeed.
International.
Indeed. Hey, you know what it is? I am on vacation, and I got that message
Mover pa para trás.
that, hey, boom, you're nominated for this.
Now we're gonna go there, yeah.
I say, what? That's a good feeling. No,
Because she was nominated for what? Because she went international with that song, right?
Yeah, that's all.
Where did she went? Tell us the story.
Well, I personally didn't have to do much. You feel me? I personally didn't have to do much. We delivered a beautiful video. You know what I mean? Big up to
Who did the video again?
how did name again?
The tall black guy. What's his name? I don't care.
I remember the video star with you was something. Had
My boy from Madiki. And
shout out to him.
Hey.
We're gonna go with him later. We're gonna go with him later.
I can't remember right now, but
It's okay.
just not gonna remember.
He knows.
I go check
You know
it.
what I
I go check it for you. No?
Yeah, well, you know, they know already who do it, you know.
Yeah.
And they delivered a beautiful video, boy.
Yeah, man.
It was very beautiful, and the ideas was very creative, you know. So we gave the music, they delivered a beautiful video. The combination with the two, it was successful,
Yeah.
you know. And we get a call, but hey,
Who called you?
I mean like that.
I mean, yeah.
I mean like call, but we get a calling. Let me put it like that.
Yeah,
we get
yeah,
a calling. Hey
yeah.
yo, you're nominated. Boom. You feel me? And that was very, very, very nice, you know, brother.
And where did you guys went? And what was the event that you was nominated for?
Barry was nominated for 2 categories.
Okay.
The
Best male.
best male and in the beginning or something so.
No.
Best video.
Best video.
So it was 2.
Yeah.
So me
Alongside Skinny Fabulous and
Oh wow, you was.
and Mr. Killer.
Mr. Killer,
and
big names.
Big names.
Yeah,
We got
big
applause
names.
for that,
Yeah,
bro.
big names.
Big names. Yeah.
Yeah, so my boys, we
went up
we
there,
shoot
boy.
out, we shoot
When
out-
did you guys went? Miami or?
we shoot out to Miami, but Fort Lauderdale and Tennessee to see if we could receive
At the limousine
prize.
waiting for you by the airport? too?
Everything, but
Yeah,
Nah.
big SUV or something.
No comment.
No comment.
Escalade.
We like thing.
Taxi. Uber.
Hey, no comment. No comment.
And then you went to the event. Where was this event taking place? Was it in a?
In Fort Lauderdale.
But it
Fort
was like
Lauderdale,
a special place.
at a university.
Okay.
At a university.
In the same campus where they just keep the Miami Juve.
Yeah.
For Miami Juve, you have to pay.
I didn't know there was Miami
Yeah,
Juve.
yeah, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
See?
And
Oh,
you
I
have
didn't
to
know.
pay.
This is the first time I hear
They
it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Otherwise, you ain't going in.
It's so huge. You go whole lot Juve. They're going wrong and wrong.
Wrong.
So itong carnaval wala mo tigo pa ka ba ng
But
ting?
then go
Yeah.
things. Yeah. $20.
Yeah. But it's worth it.
It's worth it.
It's worth
See?
it. What? Yes, it's worth it.
Ito start 4 ni mereka namin atau 3 ni mereka.
I know that thing go all
That's
24 hours. We got different parties, concerts,
Hey.
Yeah.
all over.
Hey.
Soca.
Minta sa Miami tiko yun.
Miami is the thing, boy.
See?
But if I'm mistaken, the Juve start because it got two no. Because before that, it got another event
Yeah.
that link
With the
With
them.
the
Juve.
Yeah.
You feel me? And then you go to the Juve. Juve is what? In a day.
In a day.
In a day.
10
10 o'clock. They put 10 in
Wow.
10 o'clock.
10
Yeah.
a.m.
10 till like 6 in the afternoon.
The 6 in the afternoon?
Yeah.
It pass it.
Pass it.
Yeah, it pass it, boy.
Pass it. But
I think we went home 6 in the
listen, no. Hey, listen, no.
Quanto no?
Up there,
Talk us-
I
talk with us.
hear some soundtrack. You think Elite got song? What?
They played this song from in the Juve? Not talk about track the Juve? The memories? They played this? I'm just asking.
Nah.
They didn't play that song.
nah.
But they played one from Skinny
Yeah,
Baba.
Soca Mafia.
Yeah.
Soca Mafia.
We reached there yet.
Yeah.
As soon we could get we socks on all trucks.
Finish.
It's
Yeah.
murder.
Wow.
It's
Wow,
over.
man. Wow.
It's over. If you could, as soon we got that link with all DJs, that we got these songs on all trucks that is playing soca, it's over.
We're gone.
It's over.
So one day you went to take a bus up to Orionstadt with the CD, and then
You like sing. You like.
you went to
sing.
BigRig.
Yeah.
What happened that day?
Bisami.
Hey,
Wait, so
listen.
waka tiga data.
But
Bisami.
listen.
I too
I know why, but you go to
I
Meso,
too
we
want
can-
it. I
let
too want it.
Let me
I-
put some.
I
Hey, give me
too-
some ice now, big.
Let me give some.
I
Okay.
go get some ice now.
Yeah. At least you can do that some ice cream.
Yeah, give me some ice.
Give me some ice,
Yeah,
baby.
yeah, yeah.
Get some ice.
You need some ice. You need some ice.
But
You need some
listen,
ice.
so I took my time. You know, I was 18 years old.
Wow, my boy.
Waka tiga data.
So I was already in BMW.
You was in BMW
He
already?
didn't even know me, but it's okay. But it's okay. You feel me?
He know you.
He didn't know me.
Okay.
With my 18, but I went to Ortix, Ortix Schmidt.
Artist mix. All
I
right.
went because that time I was working in a refinery.
You was working in the refinery?
Yeah, I work in
Yes,
refinery.
you
I was the
Yeah,
fire
what?
extinguisher man. Fire watch.
Okay.
I was fire watch.
Okay.
So my time said on fire watch, I was writing music.
Okay.
And this music, I say, hey, yo, this have potential. So I didn't really have much knowledge. I said, this song have potential. I went to Ortix, boy, we record a song, mix it, he master it,
Baby can
and
play.
I think I play sick. I didn't want to go work. Just for me to go BigRig that day.
Which station you was working?
Babay
In the main
mas.
street.
Pero babay mas.
Cool FM.
Okay.
Babay mas ka siya.
No, but
Babay.
they don't play
Don't
soca.
change it. Don't
They
change
don't play
it.
soca. Cool FM don't play soca.
No play
I
soca.
went one.
That day no.
It wasn't even a soca. It was a reggaeton.
You mean to say you made the reggaeton? You make a reggaeton?
Bata reggaeton. No, pero ito huwi maaga.
Carlito, ba't yung reggaeton?
Oh man! 13 versos, we can talk about.
Mira, mi mena que vende. It was a reggaeton. All right, good. So now they leave me come in the bed and I reach down. Let me go back. Rewind. I take my time. I back home. I go back home because I take off. I'll play sick. No.
Yeah. No, minute ako, pero wala
Hey,
wala mo tayo.
I
Medyo
was-
pensin.
Oh, don't worry about he now.
I was young now. 18. I had no car, nada. I had to take the bus.
The boss, yeah.
I take the bus, walking gone all in the main street, gone up by BigRig. Give BigRig the CD.
Yeah.
Straight in the garbage.
No.
I think when I leave, you straight to the garbage.
Straight to the garbage.
BigRig
Straight to
never
the
play
garbage.
my song, but
Huh? Alex tell him
That
don't load
brother
it.
fall, man. He fall for that, man.
It out to reggaeton. I didn't know that.
I think because it was a reggaeton. He said, Galloway, you shouldn't be singing reggaeton.
Wow. Which year was this?
No, but you was young, no.
But-
Maybe he didn't know you yet.
Which
no.
year?
You
Which
understand?
year was it, Gallo?
You wasn't
Those
basic,
three.
you wasn't
I was
basic, bro.
18 years old.
Mas 2003. 2003.
17, 18. 17, 18.
Wow.
No, I was walking inside, so I had to be 18.
Sim, mas 2003. 2004, 2003.
Yeah,
And you see,
around
he
that time.
remember.
You're no good because
You
around that
remember.
time it wasn't taking
Mas
trash
começa
at all to play.
2002. A coisa foi.
But I used to buy your clothes by Beach Bong.
Yeah,
By-
você tá, that's pro make
by
say.
How is them? Beach Bong?
Beach bomb.
yeah.
Sim,
Beach
bota com
bomb.
beach bomb.
What you mean?
Balaga.
Até bota ting long hair assim, bota.
No, I was more young and
I used to listen to those
I
guys
was-
on Galactica, Jet.
They used to call me Guy Wow.
Hey, wow.
Hey, wow.
Look at you, man. Guy, wow. Hey, look at this guy. Guy, wow. So you mean to say Big Rick did you fall that day?
Yeah.
It's fair to say, yeah.
You got
You're foul, brother. You're foul.
I mean,
But I understand, right now, myself being on Massive 103.5 FM, you know, the radio station, other competition listens
Big
to.
Rick listens
You
to.
know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
They listen before they go.
I have. Now
to
we
do
go
the
into
program,
Massive.
You know what I mean?
Now we go into Massive.
They don't listen to Massive. You know how you
Mas
read.
como-
Say it. Outlaw.
I've seen it.
mas
Massive.
tá production com Massive também, não?
Bolaga.
Sim, mas tá production com
Massive.
Massive.
But you don't know, we
Ah, but
gonna
you're the guy who was a
Maybe
full in the
he-
after the
Quando eu pôr a som,
program,
CJ
we
fez,
talk.
sim.
we gonna let you sign a contract.
How
for
did
to
you
go
guys?
Massive.
How did you guys link up for the show? Now we're gonna go to the show.
This guy?
Yeah. How did you guys link up? And how did you guys went to Massive? And how did you embrace it?
Boy, this guy does drag this guy everywhere I go. No? But as a guy, when I see somebody with talent, and I have the
Connections?
the connections or the way of helping them develop their talent, I just give them the chance to. You know what I mean?
Did
That-
Massive
that's the
approach you guys
personality.
for the show? Or
Yeah.
How did the whole process went?
Alex.
The approach,
Alex.
EasyB.
Alex posed
I
some.
came from Holland with a little bit of knowledge of mixing.
Yeah.
Because I was in Holland already, I was mixing the parties and you know what I mean. So I know to mix a little bit. So he liked that. The combination is just killer.
E você abre mainta, você tem mainta.
Sim.
Você
Ainda
trai
não
hora, você trai dia, você trai mais um caminho mais hora mainta.
Como que vem?
Hora para construir mainta, você trai lugar maior.
Não. Na rádio. Just para
Dias para
Sim.
E dias para bem, e tá pouco não tá trai, e também você trai pouco, you know don't work. Não, quando trai.
Não, me te atrás.
Você vai ter novo betrato?
Sim, depois eu não me vai trabalhar.
Ah, ok.
Bota comprar desse papo?
Ah, ok.
E bota comprar desse papo se botar tem trabalho?
Ah no, I'm daddy duties. That's the trouble.
I was working.
Yeah.
I was working. So
I don't-
after radio,
Music
go
pays
work.
me.
You
And
understand?
you still do that or?
No, because after the pandemic, because I work contract, no.
Ah,
You know, so right now when things get, you know,
Better.
Yeah.
Maybe you're gonna go back.
yeah.
Okay.
Well, we're thinking on better things now, no. You know,
see?
different ways of
To make ends meet.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no.
yeah.
You inspire me in the pandemic too, no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also.
you was an inspiration, man.
Also.
You
You
was
guys are
delivering.
inspiration. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Big
You
inspiration.
was at the shop.
I was liking all your posts.
Thank you, my brother. I appreciate it, man. I never heard that, man. I never heard that, man.
Yeah, man.
I never heard that,
Inspiration,
man. You know, this
you
year.
want MCRs? This guys is like,
Yeah,
wow,
yeah,
man.
yeah.
You know?
yeah.
But it's
Yeah,
not about me
inspiration.
today. It's about you guys.
Yeah.
But I have a question for you. No, it's not about me today. I'm sorry.
Alright.
It's about you guys. So how did you guys link up for the Caribbean soup?
No, what happened is.
And how did you guys came to with the name?
No, the Caribbean soup I got from Melvin Garcia.
Melvin Garcia,
Melvin Garcia. Gave
Shout out to
me-
Melvin Garcia.
Yeah, Melvin Garcia.
He gave you the name?
Yeah, he gave me the name. He said, I told him, hey, I was working at Power, right? Those time Power, and then like I said, shit, I got an opportunity. I said, hey, you going to fit? Not my style because I always wanted soca music or Caribbean music to be played every single day on the radio. That wasn't happening.
No,
When Massive came,
no.
you know what I mean? I said like, hey, that's opportunity right here.
Right,
So
see.
I bullet it but one time. Playing nice, but like on a Fridays, I'm like, okay, we could do something different. Bring in my boy. You know what I mean? He running the tunes.
It starts
you know
on
what I
2
mean?
days, no? On 2 days, on Thursdays and Fridays.
Fridays, yeah.
You know, and after that, I developed, hey, on Thursdays and Fridays, we got a lot of good vibes. So,
Yeah.
like, we try it more on.
So you guys started with Caribbean soup on Thursday and Friday only.
No.
No. The whole week. He was the whole week.
The whole week.
And then I came along.
You
He
came
came
along.
along.
Thursday and
So
Friday.
you started Caribbean soup by yourself, and then he came along.
by myself.
After how many weeks he came along for? After
How
how
long?
many?
Like what? Let me see. 3-4 months.
Oh, so you was
long.
holding on by yourself there for a while, and then you check up your little brother?
Then I said, hey, no, he have to go by himself. So then he took the morning spot by himself.
Oh.
You know, so he was 7 to 8?
Yeah.
No, 7 to 8, right? No.
No, 8 to 9.
8 to 9.
Or
8 to 9.
8 to 10.
8 to 10.
8 to 10. 2
Yeah.
hours. 8 to 10.
10.
And what about the grind?
The grind.
The grind.
Yeah, the grind.
Come so.
Okay.
Yes. Bitung pergunta para EasyB. Antes, minutaway de Kogi, tinha arriba YouTube tinha quando bisa coco to pone soca so, que chama Julian Pro.
Promos.
Antes quando waita local thing, com quenta com a conexão chega para a que bota waita com local que não ia chega não. Então plataforma que bobo vira grande.
Sí. Julian Promoter, a number 1 distributor.
Caribbean.
Worldwide. Worldwide, we got to soca music.
So si bote riba lang, que me bopo, nampo waitabo.
Anywhere. Everywhere.
Wow.
Over.
Yeah.
That's the push. Right there. He's one of the biggest distributors.
So bote ko tes algo qualidade si pa na, no?
Sí.
Si na tuloy hitan ta. Amaway tuloy hitan, riba naman tuloy hitan ta bin nanto sa kanang ya November kabat si Galabalta si season ta kumisa January ya pa November kabat yung kota sali anto tabi hit.
Yeah.
So ese um push ita kaya ko yung boso me yung boso ko kaya yung na lang ko aruba yung na to.
You see, I'm meeting a connection con Julian. Basta tempo, tema comisar sobre o Stanman, the small island massive.com to the Ghana. Also because I was like deep into the music. So I researching, getting the links, building the bridges, getting my collection, building up the archive, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay.
And then I got the contact with him and pass it on to Pilili. Pilili, yeah, and I pass it on to
You know
Pilili.
Pilili, no?
Yeah, you know Pilili?
I don't know him.
Rainbow
They're the
Cruz.
boss. They're the boss.
The boss,
Okay.
man.
Boss,
Yeah,
like
big up to the
the
boss.
patron.
Yeah, big up to the
Patron,
boss.
him,
Yeah.
Patron, estamos.
Big up to the
That's what's up.
boss.
That's what's up.
And to inang si bawak si Gome no sa tip promenang ko pa riba Julian.
Si, imaginaw. Si, mi dakora.
Si,
mi dakora. So si tempo pa local que não vai riba Julian também. Wow, man.
Wow, no
Si,
promenang pa riba Julian.
EasyB, I have a question for
Anybody
you.
could go on Julian's or no?
Anybody could go on Julian.
Pero com qualidade sim.
Good production.
Good product. You don't have to, but
Don't have to.
you don't have to. Once you got the money,
you pay.
you pay.
You put it.
You have to pay. You have to pay for
Yeah,
that.
you got to pay.
Oh, you talking free?
No,
No, you
mas kailan
gotta
ba yung production? Ito ba just give sila kaya bom? Ito po ni.
Nah, you
Why
got
you
to
wish?
pay.
Nothing free. Nothing
No,
free.
no,
They could put it, but maybe people ain't gonna look, view it or play.
Okay.
So then, yeah, it's up to you. You gamble, you invest.
Okay.
EasyB,
Tahoy plaka si.
I have a question for you.
Nah.
Some time ago, I saw a post. I think it was 1 year ago, 2 years ago, right? And then on Facebook, it was you against Gario.
Gario?
Yeah.
Nah.
Hey, I don't take him off of Facebook a while ago.
I saw you. He was writing something, and then you came for him. And then, what was that about?
I don't know what it was about. You got to ask Gario that.
You don't.
I don't know. People just like to pick on me, no.
Why?
I don't know, boy. Maybe my mouth too big sometimes on Facebook. That's why I chill out a lot. Thanks to this guy here because
You know,
I
you know
was
what
mad.
it is? I would say they would pick on him because they know they will get a reaction out of him. You know what I mean? And if you know you're going to get a reaction of a person, you know you're going to pick on that person.
Yeah.
But if you know you're going to get a reaction,
Yeah.
a different reaction of a person, you will never pick on him.
Did you ever got in the industry that you guys win? This is for both of you guys. Did you ever got people beefing with you guys? Oh, on social
Yeah.
media or
Yeah,
music,
boy.
Yeah.
Gary was one of the. Was one of them.
And you?
Yeah, beefing a lot.
With me?
Yeah.
Nobody wanna smoke. Nobody wanna. Hey, that's real.
Because you get it when you get hot, you get people to start
I
talking.
don't always roll by myself. You know, I roll. You know, what I mean, I roll by myself. You feel me? I don't beef with nobody. I don't look for no trouble. So, if you want to smoke, boy, partner, we could always get that smoke. I don't run for no man, boy. You feel me?
True.
Yeah.
Tempo que ela cambia pra Kaiso em Soca Monarch. Ito da bom pa ba? Se eigenlijk zit een nummer die verdade, você vai ser de Mr. Tasso, para mim Road Mat and Calypso Contest.
Soca Mona?
Aha, ito
Soca Mona, that's the way you gotta be. Road March is just a title. No?
No, but
They
they changed
Soca
it
Mona, you want it
to-
international, it's Soca Mona, you gotta call it.
But I remember
know,
there was one
things
time
change,
a polemic on Facebook. They say, yeah, Kaiso Socomonar. And then when people start Google Kaiso, they didn't find nothing that it was related to Carnival or nothing. You think that was a good choice for them to name the festival that name?
Kaiso, no, Kaiso have a name. Kaiso is Calypso Soca.
I remember
It's
some
Kaiso
guy
Soca.
did the
So
research.
it-
It was Google Kaiso and it was nothing on Google.
No, impossible. You could Google it now when you see it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's impossible.
So, antes no sa dat
I think it's tradition now. People are accustomed to Rose Mask contest now. Okay, you ain't gonna get them fault. You know what I mean? Because we living in a multicultural place, but then
But you know,
if you want to, all depends on how far you want to take the music now and the art form, you know? Because
but not only that,
the
it's what you want to
intention
take forward also.
yeah, the
You know?
intention is like I would like to hear Aruba Soca playing on a different radio station. As a guy that was listening a lot of island stations.
I like the Barbados one. The guy, the
Which one? Slam?
the
Slam? You gotta listen to one from
the guy
Guyana.
who the girl, yeah, the girl singers. They came with all the artists and they sing with them. They were like smoking the.
Yeah.
I
know.
like that.
I think it's Slam. I don't listen to Slam. Slam is King Baba FM. King Baba. That's his radio. He owns 3 radios
Yeah.
in Barbados. Yeah. So I just listen a lot of, island radios and stuff.
Is
like
it fair to say that you guys are the soca legends?
that. Legend?
No,
Is
No.
it fair to say yes or no?
it's fair to say we're the soca gods.
Soca gods. We love
The reason-
soca.
reason why I ask you
love
that,
soca.
because
we love soca. We love soca.
The reason why I ask you that because first of all, both of you guys are singing soca for years.
Yeah.
And then second of all, you guys are doing soca every day on Massive.
Yeah.
And the third one, you guys are bringing tunes out there.
Yeah.
That's why I was asking you
Yeah.
if you guys are the soca.
No,
You know,
no,
legends.
ambassadors, I would say.
Ambassadors?
I would
Is
say
that a better name?
ambassador
He
because
would say maybe
I was
he would say
called
ambassador. I would
because-
say gods. Why? Because I'm speaking it into existence.
True.
And that's the best way to get into life. You feel me?
yeah.
Speaking
I would
into
say ambassador
existence.
because
Let's get it.
Let's
bro.
get it, ambassador.
because
Starting from today,
Maybe
EasyB
maybe
and Galloway
right now, ambassadors.
soca
But in the
gods.
future, gods.
Guys, we are soca
guys,
ambassador.
before we go, because we have to
we
go-
going already?
Yeah.
Let me get
BigRig,
outra pergunta.
Talk to
Pero
me.
antes tava tu entra da Gana eu conheço a Calypso Contest mas também antes a outra na minha tu antes da Gana com Power Soca. Power Soca tá manda. Power Soca tem a outra barro na rua, ok, mas Power Soca não tá Gana mais. Voorbeeld. So,
Porque road match.
Não tem meio road match, pero road match que
Road match,
road
Gana
match.
match. I want to match soca.
Ajá, supuestamente road match é Power Soca. Supuestamente na BCC.
No.
No? Prometo na hope lihe. A outra barra hope.
No, it's road match. Aruba unique, no. Aruba is the only island in the Caribbean that have that kind of soca. Road match, it's different.
Okay. Ah, kaya Aruba tong unique. Wow.
What?
You know why?
Aruba unique.
You know why?
You know what I mean?
I would say, Nanga Bahele, why? Aruba is the only island on this fucking planet. Sorry, but
Oh, no,
Go
on
ahead.
this planet that has 7 or more parades.
Yeah.
Wow.
Aruba unique.
We are unique.
Yeah.
We have 7 or more even London. They have 2 days of parade. 2 days.
Imaginable.
Only 2. We have 7 or more.
Miami got 1.
No, imagine this. Every time we got to go on 160 BPM. You're going to mash us up.
You're mash it up,
With
yeah.
7 parades, you're going to mash us up.
Yeah.
You know, and right now it's more parades because it have
Sunset.
You know,
Yeah.
it got more parades.
The big carnival, uptown.
It got
downtown,
individuals,
Yeah.
playouts.
Yeah.
You know, so it's a lot. So
Yeah.
every time you got to go play the 160, they're gonna be like, hey, yo,
yeah.
you know, it's not gonna carry the cabin.
So people start gasping.
That's what they say.
Yeah.
So people start gasping to the traditional
You know?
soca. You know what I mean?
When soca kick in.
I like soca, no?
The
I like
groove-
soca, no? I know.
The groove kind of style.
Yeah.
They
You-
love
you-
the
you know?
fast,
Yeah.
but the soca is what we could be more in parade with. Hey,
Yeah.
a tempo key. So what we have to do, we have to adapt
Yeah.
the fast to the slow.
Slow.
All right. That's
So
all
we
right.
reach till 148 BPM.
That's the normal 148.
That's the standard
That's
BPM
standard BPM.
for you to go on.
For Aruba, yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
for Aruba, yeah.
148, 150.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Última pergunta. Linguagem para soca doesn't matter of inglês tá querendo talk so aonde eu passo soca na espanhol, na pavimento, na Índia, holandês. Eta doesn't matter que tá toch tá bisa men no soca tá de inglês tá e não vai nunca na pavimento of na inglês, espanhol of resto holandês. Algo tá bisa tá multi language toch.
That's a tricky one. Because I think, okay, it originated in English, it's sending a message.
Okay.
But you could send a message in different languages.
Yeah, that's true.
You know what I mean? If you understand Papimento, and using the same beat and then transmit that message to you, and you understand it, hey, I will sing it to you in that language that you could understand it.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Now, if you want to take it farther out there,
Okay.
the reach, then that's where it kind of
Divide?
it differs.
Different, yeah.
You know?
Wait, what EasyB trying to say? How many people in the world understand Papimento?
Not a lot.
No, I mean
If-
every language. No, I mean do lenguaje.
No, because even
sing
the Arrow Hot Hot Hot, they sing that in all kind of different languages. Spanish, French, Dutch, hot, hot, hot.
But English
You know
is
what I
an international
International
language.
language.
Internationally.
Spanish is an international language. Papimento is not.
No, international. Yeah.
It is not.
Yeah.
You understand me? So if you want the message to reach
What?
further than you think that they can reach,
Yeah.
it got to be in a language that they can understand.
True.
Oh, what's the último?
Then I have one more question. then
Aha.
we have to go.
We
Yeah.
have to. Se botar soca of onde tigo qual isla tigo hit para international. Qual isla botar bisa sakit tigo hit para America pick
Dos tres islas minimal. Name it.
Botigo hit isla aqui para coque mene.
For you to get that.
I think
Back.
who hit a DJ.
Da qual isla?
Isla.
Isla?
Isla.
No,
Saint Martin?
but
Saint Martin, Barbados, Guadalupe, Lucia.
I would say Trinidad.
So if
you
you
hit-
wanna
if you
go
hit
big time
Trinidad-
next year, your song has to be played first by the DJ in Trinidad.
Yeah.
So moto ta di Saint Lucia.
That is Saint Lucia.
Talk na pensa que ela vai
That is Saint Lucia, but is the Trinidad DJs playing his songs?
I got a different answer.
Tell me.
Tell me.
I want my music hit in the whole world.
Yeah.
Who controls the world?
Nobody.
Quem tá controlar é
Who
soca para
controls the
mundo.
world?
Control the world. God control the world.
Toolman, I ain't gonna say nothing.
Yeah.
Toolman, I ain't gonna say nothing. I ain't gonna say
We have to go out. My production telling me. I have one more question.
It's two.
God control the world.
It's me too.
You see, we done more than two. You see, we
I
start
say-
talking shit already.
I picking I pick in England, and I pick in the USA. Sorry. If you want to make it, if you want to make millions, billions,
Yeah.
England, USA.
Sorry. No, he mean to say which island you tune got hit. No.
Island.
Island, yeah.
No, because
I just tell the islands it got to hit.
no, you tell me countries.
What you got over here?
Prometo mo sabay, happy stop din kumino
Oh,
po sa
God.
nalang sabay,
Oh,
nalang
God.
sabay pa siya.
Oh God,
Happy stop day. No lubidad Dal2, Dal2 platter. EasyB, babae nang, kala Dal2 platter, di happy stop. Ando bong? Tremendo.
Nasa Binjiski.
So,
Last question before we go. One question and just give me right away yes or no, right? Is Claudius Phillips the king of soca, carnival, road jam? Yes or no?
Nah.
that's it.
That's
it.
It's a
That's
nothing.
it.
And you?
Not the king of road jam.
Say, repeat the question.
Is Claudius Phillips the king of soca, carnival, road jam, kaiso, calypso? Yes or no?
Aruba.
Aruba.
Till now, yeah, you have the most ground.
Well, okay, Bong. Before I go,
He have the most ground you can't beat. He got proof.
in Aruba.
In Aruba, yes.
Aruba.
Aruba, yeah.
That's why I say in
Aruba,
Aruba.
Aruba.
Aruba, yes?
Got
Give
the
him the
most
crown,
ground.
yes or no?
He got the most
In
ground.
Aruba?
Yeah.
Anybody could get it from in Aruba.
Esagi Tautata, EasyB, Bradley, Vesprey.
Yep.
Esagi Tautata, Carl Roosberg, Carlito, Galloway Jr.,
Gallo.
BigRig, EdjeSaus. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next podcast. Big, gusto ba yung wagi?
Ano sabay po? Sabay mo ito banso.
We go in next bar now.
Oh, man.